Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can wrap text around your table in Google Docs. So basically what you'll need to do is select as you can see, your table, then click Ctrl+C or just right click it and copy it, then go insert, then select drawing and click new. Right here click Ctrl+V, then select actions, download and PNG. So basically do that, save it, and now basically what you'll need to do is upload this image to Google Docs, crop an image so it will look like right as the table. And now what you'll need to do is basically resize it and click this wrap text, and basically now you'll have a table that is wrapped around the text. Sorry, the text is wrapped around the table. So that's pretty much it guys, that's how you do it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.